Hello, beautiful peoples. Hi guys, I'm back again. So another unboxing video. So this is sa kabilang online app. It's from Lazada. Okay, so open natin. Essential, something ganon. So since ang aking body ay up and down yung weight issues ko because of my PCOS, Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome. So may mga gamit na hindi na magkasya, may gamit na pilit pinagkakasya, at may gamit tayo na pwede nating bilhin na kasyang-kasya. My gosh. So, oh! Dalawa siya, guys. It's, ano ba tawag dito? Nude and black. Charan! So, oh, it's, no? May gulay. Oh, it's very short. It's very short. Hindi, sakto lang. Bilang bawi. So, kailangan kong bilhin yung size kapag shorts, pants, skirts, ganon. Kailangan kong bumili ng XL, or kung pang petite ang size, kailangan ko ng extra large because my backpack boom. It's so ganon. Gifted ako doon. So, oh, it's stretchable. Walang problema. Ang ganda niya. So maganda to. Yung pinipili ko kasi na tawag dito, yung design is, it's supposed to be dapat plain dito, and then pagdating dito sa likod dapat garterized so that magsa-stretch lang siya to fit my boom. Pak boom. So, maganda. Ito, hindi natin makikita masyado yung black eh. Okay. May pocket. Front pocket, pero hindi masyadong malalim yung pocket. And, ito, the nude one. Beige. Beige ba? Whatever. Ganun lang. So, stretchable. I like it. Kasha. And the design, it's like ganito, parang anong tawag doon, dolphin short. The shape of my hair kasi parang mas bagay siya kapag dolphin short or a little bit of fit, kaya ganda. Bibigay ako ng magandang ano ba yun? Review. Okay, I like it much. So, that's all muna, guys. Kasi may dalawa pang naghintay. Reserve na naman yon for another video. So, ayan na naman. Saan na naman ako umabot na naman? 4 minutes lang to. Okay, guys. Join me again on my next video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from my little world to yours. Love.